Today I'm visiting a wet market on a typical busy morning. Store owners are slicing poultry, chopping meats, and customers are bargaining hard for the best price. There's movement everywhere. Nothing really stops. Using the Leica M240 in a place like this isn't the easiest. When every moment is happening non-stop, you really have to stay alert. And honestly, for many photographers, getting close to people and photographing them can feel uncomfortable at first. The Leica M system doesn't have autofocus, and that surprises a lot of people. But you might be even more surprised to know that the photos I've taken here are actually faster than any autofocus camera. That's because I rely on zone focusing. I don't really need to pre-focus on my subject at all. I set my aperture to f8 and then simply adjust my shutter speed to match every scene as it unfolds. In today's photo walk at the wet market, I'm walking with you in my POV styles of street photography, showing you exactly how I see, how I shoot these moments as they happen.
What's the point here?
Nice.